to say sorry to others when they offend them? Why do people find it difficult to say I'm sorry to others when they invade into their privacy? Sorry is a simple sentence. Now, let me tell you this. When you see people who find it difficult to say sorry, always know that these people are living with pride. Pride leads to downfall. Anyone with pride find it difficult to live in a conducive and beautiful society or environment. When you apologize to people for the wrongs you did, they will always apologize to you for the wrongs they did. Always be that example that you have always wanted. Because when you apologize to people for the wrongs you did to them, they will definitely